Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today we are finally getting to our bullet journal for April. I did it late, I'm sorry, and I messed my whole self up by doing this late. By being this late at doing my bullet journal, guys, just wonderful. Procrastination is key, I guess, right? For this month it is anyway, but anyway, one of the issues that took me so long to figure out what I wanted to do for my April bullet journal was that I didn't know what theme I wanted to do. So after some thought, the obvious choice came to mind of doing something to celebrate Earth Day and Earth Month. So that is what we're doing in this month's journal. We are celebrating Earth Month. So I have tried to recreate this kind of famous kind of sign that people will use during protests and during climate strikes, and just to bring awareness. And that is the "there is no planet B" sign. I don't know who created that term. I don't know who was the first person to use it on a sign or anything. There are plenty of different debates about who said it first online, so I left it as just as the quote. I'm pretty sure it would be considered a quote still. But I'm leaving it in here as just kind of trying to like recreate the given sign look. So and I apologize about the look of my globe. I have not drawn one of these things since like 5th grade. Anyway, we tried our best. Anyway, so for Earth Month, I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to implement more things in my household to really get into both the spirit of what we're trying to do and also just general, this is going to help in the long run. It takes a while for everything to help. And there are figures and numbers and charts galore out there, guys, that you guys can take a look at. I'm not going to try to give you these numbers because since my normal trying to explain things comes out so great, I'm not going to try to explain all of these topics that I do listen to. Almost daily I listen to things about this topic, and I listen to things about the water level crisis in Arizona, and how I'm very curious to see what Earth Day Offshoot Day is actually going to be this year, because I think last year the offshoot day for Earth Day was in like May or something like that. And I want to say that the Earth Offshoot Day has to do with what we're doing for our planet and where we are with our totals for the year. That it's a whole different number and everything. If you guys have never heard about these topics or anything, I implore you, go and do some research. Go out here to YouTube. There are plenty of channels. A couple of the people that I like to listen to and explain these topics are the channel Our Changing Climate, and of course Shell Bizzle here on YouTube. She talks about it a lot in her videos. She likes giving a lot of these figures that make it easy to understand. And one of the big things with Earth Day and Earth Month that this year I am falling more into than last year. Yes, I still feel like I have a consumeristic kind of problem, like many people do. Um, that I do like getting new things, and I try to look into the companies, but I don't do as much due diligence as I should to know what these companies and their pledges are for helping our planet and everything. So I have tried to do this. I've tried to learn more about these type of things, and Shell Bizzle on her page, she has made me realize that it's not just my responsibility as the consumer to be trying to be zero waste and green, that these terms were actually for businesses to start using, and then we've kind of taken them and we've run with the terms. So she does a much better job of explaining that than I just tried to in a nutshell. Definitely go and check out her channel, also her vlog channel with her wife Madison. That is also a wonderful vlog channel because they also talk about it in such like a nonchalant way of, you know, they have a whole vlog that they went out to the climate strike in San Antonio, I want to say, and they were explaining it just so nonchalantly and everything that I felt like me and her were in the same room talking about this issue just like that. So it was just easy to digest and understand. So these two channels on YouTube, like I said, they're great to get some extra information from. Definitely do that because, like I said, I am very bad about explaining it, and I definitely try. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I share quite a bit of stuff over there, and I've tried to start making it easier for my family to be able to try and embrace the zero waste, closed circuit type lifestyle, because that's really what I'm kind of looking at more, is a lot of the more closed loop processes. I want to say that's what the term is, so that it's not a crazy leap, because nobody is going to do anything if you make them do a crazy leap to be able to do these things. In the store the other day, I saw that Dove has a refillable product on the shelves. You may be hit or miss about Dove, but it's an option if you want to try it. The same thing with Target having shampoo bars. They have some shampoo bars there. I think my Target has the Functional Beauty shampoo bars, but I have seen Targets with the high bar. And then they also have the safety razors at the Target and everything, and those are more able to be like closed loop systems and much easier to dispose of. And a lot of these things also have partnerships today with TerraCycle, so that is definitely something to consider if you want to do something for the planet, but you don't want to be so far left field that you have to buy a bunch of new products just to have a new lifestyle. You don't want to have to buy a bunch of new products. You can repurpose products, and you can upcycle products. And definitely, if you want to do the investment pieces, like I do have my video, my Amazon haul, that I did get stasher bags from Target. Those 2 bags alone were about $20, but those are now stasher bags 2 and 3 in our collection. And I was talking with my husband one day that if we could have maybe 12 stasher bags, we could possibly cut down, not cut out, but cut down our consumption of Ziploc bags. So that's where these prompts are coming in. I have prompts here that I'm going to try to fill out this month, and I already have some of the prompts already done today, so don't even worry about that. We're already getting the prompts done. So we have 10 ways that we help the earth personally, 10 ways we can improve helping the earth, personally, because I wanted to be accountable for what I actually try my hardest to do. I might not succeed, but I try. And then my other prompts here are 10 things I've learned about zero waste, and I will leave the any of the pages that I follow down below in the comments so that you can also learn. And then companies I purchase from that I feel good about purchasing from. Like I purchase Plain, their shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash. I am looking into their moisturizer and their hair mask as well. But those, you send the bottles back to them, they refill them, and you get new bottles, and it's great. I reuse pumps. It's wonderful for me. A little bit pricey, but that's one switch that I have really enjoyed that I've made. So that is basically it for this month. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment about what you guys are going to do for Earth Day. If it's anything special that you're going to do, or anything you want to try to do even, or improve upon doing even. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you're not, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!